Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save your old item of the week and how you can wear it again. But it only works for free play, which I don't mind because I still have the dress. So you're just going to create an outfit with the old item of the week, which I did here. And you're just going to go into the changing rooms and you're going to save it here. And then you can just basically wear it again on free play, and you can still color it the same. As you can see, you can add different colors to it still. I think you can still like toggle it different ways as well. But yeah, that is how you can save the old item of the week, which I kind of want to do it with this one. So I'm just gonna put that on here. Delete the one before. Doesn't have to be pretty. Go to the changing rooms and I'm going to name it as Granny Dress so I can still wear it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.